Today we're going to talk about polygons. All of this is information that you should already know, but probably it's not quite sharp in your mind. So let's take a look about everything about polygons. A polygon is a flat, two-dimensional figure made up of line segments called sides. A polygon can have any number of sides as long as it has at least three. The interior, or inside, of a polygon is not part of the polygon. The sides of a polygon are connected end to end and make one closed path. The sides of a polygon do not cross. Each endpoint where two sides meet is called a vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. We'll talk about vertices more in the future. A vertex is just like an angle where the two sides meet at a point. Study these figures that are polygons. Now take a look at these figures that are not polygons. This one is not a polygon because a polygon cannot have curved lines. Curved lines are not line segments. So keep in mind that polygons must have straight sides. This figure here is not a polygon because it does not form a closed path. It has this opening right here. That cannot be a polygon. It needs to be a closed figure. Same with this one right here. This one also is not a polygon because it only has two sides, and a polygon must have at least three sides. This fourth figure here is not a polygon because it has these sides that cross. The sides of a polygon must not cross. Now, polygons are named after the number of their sides. The prefix in a polygon's name tells the number of sides it has. Study the prefix box. You'll recognize many of them. Tri means three. Think triangle. We've got quadrangle, pentagon, 5 sides, hexagon, 6 sides, heptagon, 7 sides, octagon, 8 sides, nonagon is 9 sides, a decagon is 10 sides, or a dodecagon would have 12 sides. Now, polygons can be convex or non-convex. A convex polygon is a polygon in which all the sides are pushed outward. The polygons below are all convex. Most of the polygons that we work with in 5th grade are convex polygons, but not all. But you can see here examples of most of those polygons that we just talked about in the last chart. We're missing a dodecagon with 12 sides. A non-convex, or often called concave polygon, is a polygon in which at least two sides are pushed in. The polygons at the right are all non-convex. When I was younger, we called these concave polygons, and when I thought of caving in, that helped me remember that these kinds of polygons have a side that caves in. So if that helps you remember, hopefully that will be helpful to you. You can see how this is kind of pushed in there. Right here, this side is pushed in. Here, this side is pushed in. And on this one, we've got this side and this side and this side all pushed in. And that's what makes it a concave polygon, or non-convex. Something else that's interesting to realize about these is when it's concave, when it has a side that's pushed in, that angle formed right here, if you measure it, it will make a reflex angle because it will be more than 180 degrees. that's another way you can recognize a non-convex polygon. And finally, there's a set of polygons that we call regular polygons, and this is really important for you to remember in 5th grade. We'll be working with regular polygons more often probably than you did in 4th grade. A polygon is a regular polygon if two things are true. One, the sides all have the same length, and two, the angles inside the figure are all the same size. So regular polygon means equal sides, equal angles. All of the sides of the shape are congruent, all of the angles in the shape are congruent. A regular polygon is always convex. The polygons below are all regular. So here's an example. An equilateral triangle is a regular polygon, just like a square is regular polygon. We can also have a regular pentagon, and that's what we name it, regular pentagon. Hexagon, octagon, and nonagon. These are examples of regulars. Now we can have hexagons that are not regular, but this is what a regular hexagon looks like. You might recognize this hexagon because it's also one of our pattern block shapes, and we do a lot of work with this kind of a hexagon. Remember, regular polygons mean congruent sides, congruent angles.